Creating an HTML website is a fundamental skill for web development. Here's a concise guide. Plan your website. Outline your website's purpose, content and structure. Decide on the pages and features you want. Choose a text editor. Use a code editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text or Notepad for writing HTML code. Write HTML code. Create an HTML file with the HTML extension. Begin with the doctype HTML declaration, which defines the document type. Add the HTML element to enclose your entire document. Inside HTML, create the head section for meta information, title, and links to external files like CSS or JavaScript. In the body section, structure your content using HTML tags like header, nav, main, section, and footer. Use headings, paragraphs, lists, and links to organize content. Embed images and videos as needed. Add forms for user interaction and input. Include CSS styles to control the website's appearance. Test your website. Open your HTML file in a web browser to check its appearance and functionality. Host your website. To make it accessible online, purchase a domain name and web hosting, or use free hosting platforms like GitHub Pages or Netlify. Upload your files. Use an FTP client or web hosting platform to upload your HTML file and any associated assets to the server. Promote your website. Share your website's URL and continue to improve and update its content as needed.